èèyàn dáadáa àti 1984 ni mo ti ń gbé Àbújá mo dẹ̀ gbé Kano rí Kano in fact Kano mo ti ṣe NYSC mi mo gbé Katsina rí so mo mọ̀ wọ́n dáadáa year 1984 nígbà tí ogun Metezini ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Kano mo wà ní Kano wọ́n smuggle wa jáde lóru ni bọ́yọ̀ tá mi ò bá ti kú síbẹ̀ àwọn èèyàn people yìí wọ́n ní làákàyè kankan wọ́n lè ronú that's the way they are ọ̀rẹ́ mi kan ABU ló lọ Abdulrasheed gẹ́ẹ̀ kan nínú àwẹ̀ ó ń kọjá lọ kò lo ìjáàb believe pé àwọn guys wọ́n dẹ̀ wà mosque wọ́n fẹ́ kírun 7 wọ́n fẹ́ 7 náà ni kan fi ṣínú àwẹ̀ or something wọ́n dẹ̀ attack gẹ́ yìí tó ọ̀rẹ́ mi yẹn ló rescue wọ́n bá pa ọmọ Ìgbò ni wọ́n bá pa ọmọ yẹn níjọ́ yẹn wọ́n sọ pé kẹ́ ó yẹ ẹ̀pá ní Hausa ọ̀rẹ́ mi yẹn dẹ̀ ní bí n pé Kano ló ti dàgbà Yorùbá ni ó bẹ̀ bàbá wọn Kano wọn bí wọn sí ní Birni ní Kano lẹ́yìn ilé iṣẹ́ Akurabi ẹni tó bá mọ Kano dáadáa ó máa mọ ibi tí mò ń sọ yìí ní Birni so àwọn èèyàn máa ń rò pé Hausa ni bẹ́ẹ̀ Yorùbá ni ọmọ Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ ni ó ti pẹ́ gan bàbá ẹ̀ náà ti pẹ́ Kano bàbá kọ́ ló ń fi ọ̀run ké bàbá ń sìn bọ́bọ́ ọ̀rẹ́ mi yẹn ló rescue gẹ̀ yẹn otherwise wọn bá pa so àwọn èèyàn yìí wọn dàbí wa wọn dẹ̀ lè reason bí wa àdè lè jẹ́ nǹkan kan náà láyé because ntí wọ́n ti ìwà ẹranko yẹn ti wà lára wọn so mo ti fojú ara mi rí dáadáa torí ẹ̀ mo wò pé no ilé ò kò make sense jọmọlúàbí kankan ò sí bí kò dẹ̀ sí bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run lọ́kàn wọn tí kinní ẹ̀ bá ti nà mọ́ wọn lọ́kàn ẹ wo ìgbà tí mo wà ní University of Ìlọrin àwọn guys kan méjì ọmọ Deeper Life ni a ní special day tá a fi máa ń jọ ń argue tí máa ṣí Kùránì lẹ̀ tí máa ṣí Bible lẹ̀ pẹ̀lú wọn mo máa bá wọn argue ní lè ṣe láàárọ̀ dalẹ́ níjọ́ Saturday la máa ń ṣe because mo fẹ́ proof pé Islam wà superior bẹ́ẹ̀ téèyàn wá ka Kùránì dáadáa torí gbogbo nǹkan àṣírí ẹ̀ á mọ̀ pé irú aláwo lélẹ̀ tó ní gbogbo èèyàn pípa ni kí ló dé kí ni wọ́n ṣe fún un.
Yes,
sir.
Thank you so much. Mo fẹ́ ka news report kan fún wa kí ẹni tó kàn kó tó sọ̀rọ̀. I'm reading something that happened a few years ago.
Ẹjọ́ ẹ lè drop mi sí comment section mo ń listen sí ẹ ṣé gan God bless you kẹgbẹ́ lómi wọlé.
Ẹ ṣé kò sí wàhálà ẹ lè dúró náà tán tẹ́lẹ̀ mi bá ti dé màá gbé wọn wọlé.
Okay all right mo wà pẹ̀lú yín all right thank you.
Yes sir ẹ ṣeun. So mo fẹ́ kàn kọ́kọ́ fún yín. This is from Sahara Reporters. Barber arrested in Kano for giving customers haircuts that offend Islam. The Kano State Hisbah Corps has arrested a barber from Benue State, Elijah Ode. Elijah does not sound like a very Islamic name or Arabic name. Elijah from Benue State was arrested by the Kano State Hisbah Corps for allegedly giving his customers haircuts which offend the Islamic faith in the Sabongeri area of the state. It was learned that the religious police force reportedly arraigned Ode on Tuesday and also had him remanded. According to a Benue State activist, Smith Akoko, who first brought the matter to the attention of Nigerians, the barber, who is also a student, was arrested last Wednesday after two of his customers were caught with hairstyles deemed blasphemous to the Islamic religion. So, number one, this man was not a Muslim. Then they said, in fact, let me run this on to you. The case is already in the court of law at the wish of the aggrieved Muslims, with the first session heard today. But all efforts by the young barber's lawyer to bail him proved abortive because of the claim that it is a major case and therefore not bailable. Major case. So the point is this: the boy or the barber won't say Muslim, Christian. So we say Muslim koloma affecting rather than. Number two, irun gígé. Mo wá pé irun gígé ni iṣẹ́ yẹn lóko. Igbe kígé ni orúkọ, igbe kígé gangan náà pè bọ̀, a lè pè ní irun gígé ní iṣẹ́ yẹn. Irun gígé kò sí inú gbogbo nǹkan tá a kà lẹ́ẹ̀kan gan tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ pé ọmọ abẹ́rẹ́ èèyàn kan máa ṣe kíkọ̀ fún. Irun gígé ò sí inú ẹ̀. Tó pé ó gé irun tí wọ́n consider to be haram. You arrested the person, sued him to court. You can't even bail him because it's a major case and it's not bailable. Just gives you an idea of àwọn Christian nìkan ló, àwọn Muslim nìkan ló máa affect, kò ní affect àwọn yòókù, irọ́ la bá ń bẹ̀. And this happened in Kano. So let's make sure that we put these things, we have these things in mind and understand why we're against it. It's not about Islam. I'm going to repeat it again. The way Yoruba people have practiced Islam over the years has clearly been different from what you see in other parts. And we want to keep it like that. We want to be able to, go to our friends without having to, or our family members of who are Muslims, without having to think of the possibility of your head being off your neck, just because you don't, adhere to certain people's religious tenets. And that's what we want to keep. Yoruba is like this. We are happy. If anybody wants to drink beer, I don't drink. If anybody wants to drink beer, what's your own business about that? And by the way, let me also quickly say this. In Yoruba land, that's what that's in core state. Láti máa ń ṣe wípé a máa ní secular kìíní ní state wa máa ń jẹ́. In other words, ó máa ń jẹ́ multi-religious state. So oríṣiríṣi òrìṣà lẹ máa rí nínú ìlú. Kò sí wípé ọkàn báyìí ló gbọ́dọ̀ tẹ̀lé, tó bá ti tẹ̀lé lé báyìí àwọn agé orí ẹ̀ ní kò sí irú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Nílẹ̀ Yorùbá, ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ìlú tẹ máa rí nílẹ̀ Yorùbá, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ òrìṣà tí irúnmọlẹ̀ ni wọ́n ń bọ. Kì í ṣe pé òrìṣà kan gbogbo ìlú kan ń bọ. Lẹ́yìn yẹn wọn dẹ̀ ní bọ̀ mímọ́, kò wọ́pọ̀. And so the idea that it has to be one particular faith is actually strange. It's a strange concept. So we have to be careful not to lose what we have. It's better for us to be a secular society where you have multi-faith setting, right? Where you have many religions, than to have this one where Christian, Christian. Number two, one sort of witchcraft and sorcery. Who used to tell you that Isheshe is not witchcraft and sorcery? You can go on and be speaking English language. They will tell you that that's what it means, and you know what it means to you to do that. You're liable to Isheshe Kombe. So that's why we say we prefer to just have a secular society like we do in Yoruba land. Anybody that wants to have an extremist idea, they can take a bus, or better still, call us Lagos Airport Hotel or Ibadan. Sorry, Lagos Airport or Ibadan Airport or whichever airport. Somebody can fly or see north. Wow. We're going to listen to Mr. Eric now. Mr. Eric Kola, Mr. Babatunde, and then we'll listen to Allah's baby.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
You're welcome,
Thank you very much. I have to commend a lot of people. The professor that spoke very well. And then the last speaker, my brother,